setting that record straight helps appreciating the legacy and the heritage, both and understanding, for example, how urban development is supposed to be. How is a society that has grown over centuries of experience has built a city, literally the first city of the whole of Oceania, older than any other city in the Pacific, with expectations, regulations, street civility. All of that just comes through the Spanish, but the Spanish are delegating entirely in the Chamorro population. In fact, it's a fascinating process to see how a city that was Spanish in origin, like Hagåtña, it becomes a Chamorro city, and the local population is defined by the Spanish themselves as Chamorro. But yeah, that's a parallel conversation. But it signifies that not only the community or the society of Guam in the 1800s had participated in those branches of government. If they have run them, they have taken control of it. The whole island was self-governed, literally.